How to see your subscribers on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to view your recent subscribers on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First thing first, go ahead and open up your web browser because this is not possible with the app unless you have the YouTube Studio app. But if you don't have it, it's alright. You could easily continue with your browser. So go ahead and search for youtube.com and open YouTube on your browser. Once you have YouTube opened on your browser, what you can do is your browser allows you to turn on the desktop site. So head over to the three lines at the top right, and then just simply click on the desktop site to enable it. And now you can use YouTube as if you're using it on a computer. So from here at the top right, you'll find your profile icon. So simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. So as you can see here on the top right corner, I have my profile open. From here on, you can head over to your YouTube Studio. So simply tap on it and then open up YouTube Studio. Once your YouTube Studio is open, you'll be able to see your channel analytics here on your dashboard. So just make sure that you are on the dashboard option right here. And then once you're on your dashboard, you're going to have to go to channel analytics here, tap on it. And your channel analytics will allow you to see your subscriber count. So as you can see here, I'm able to see my subscriber count. I don't have many subscriber and I don't have any recent subscriber for the last 48 hours. But if you are an active channel and actively gaining subscribers, you'll be able to see the recent subscriber names right here. So that's how you see your YouTube subscribers. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.